Exactly, huh? Come on. See, I ain't gotta, see, I can sit right here and do all this. I ain't gotta sit way back there. You ain't doing this. Damn! I'm a big man here. I'm a big man here.
Mga kapenyo, tirahin na natin itong may init na issue ngayon. Pasok, intro! Hey yo, what's up sa inyo mga kapenyo? At today meron na naman tayo napaka-init na reaction video. Floyd Mayweather Sr. Talagang tinuruan din pala nung araw etong si Janrel Casimero. At dito mga kapenyo, no, nagbigay ng konting technique etong si Floyd Mayweather Sr. dito kay Janrel Casimero. At dito mga kapenyo, no, medyo marami ring natutunan etong si Utol Casimero kay Floyd Mayweather Sr. Dahil magmula sa jab, no, pati yung ibang technique, talagang natuto etong si Janrel Casimero. At tara mga kapenyo, wag na natin patagalin at sabay-sabay natin panoorin. Eto nga pagtuturo ni Floyd Mayweather Sr. kay Janrel Casimero.
I want to see you training tonight. I train him tonight. Let's go. Why don't you train him tonight? I want to see.
Yun, no?
Alright,
Training daw, no?
I want to see you train him tonight, right here.
Ni Mayweather Sr.,
here.
ha?
I want you to make sure you put this right there. Train him. Show me. Show me.
Show me daw, show me. So yan mga kapenyo, no, ito yung mga panahon na nandun pa si Utol Janrel Casimero sa Amerika at nandun pa siya sa MP promotion. At ito yung mga panahon na talagang maski si Floyd Mayweather Sr. Bumibilib din, no, sa kakayahan nito ni Utol Janrel Casimero, kaya nagkaroon siya ng interes na bigyan o turuan din, no, etong si Janrel Casimero.
I want to see. Yeah, I want to see. I'm going to watch. This boy,
Gusto niya makita.
I want you to hit it. Come on.
I want to hear it. Gusto niya i-snap, no, yung snap malakas.
Come on.
Oh,
Come on, see. Hit it. Look, man. Look, put your hand up. Put your hand. Put your hand up. Stop me
Like
from
he's
hitting.
doing.
Stop me from hitting your hand, okay? I'm gonna hit this hand right here.
Okay.
You ain't got to put up with one hand.
So ayan mga kapenyo, no, bibigyan naman na niya ng sample nga dito etong si Janrel Casimero. Dahil nga nung una, siya yung nagpapasuntok pero parang hindi niya ma-feel nga daw, no, etong si Utol Casimero. It means hindi pa marunong si Utol, no, kaya hindi niya gaano matamaan. Ngayon, bibigyan nga daw siyang example neto ni Floyd Mayweather Sr. kung paano nga gawin yon.
No.
I train with two hands out.
It's all two hands away. You can go do it your way.
Yeah.
Watch my way.
I don't do this. No,
I'm fast as shit, believe
I
that.
don't do that.
So do that again.
I don't do that.
Put the hand up.
Pero take note mga kapenyo, marami rin matututunan si Janrel Casimero dyan kay Floyd Mayweather Sr. Dahil bago talaga maging isang kampiyon, no, etong si Floyd Mayweather, syempre dyan muna siya dumaan sa kanyang tatay, no.
Show you, man. Move your hand. You don't
Move
want
your
me to
hands.
do it. You don't want me hit. Hit my head.
Ayan, mabilis na snap.
Do it again. Put your hand up there.
Kumbaga yung reflex, no, yung reflex.
Yeah.
Yeah, I want you to move it. Cause I'm gonna hit it.
May I move? No, I let you train him tonight. Let's make a deal.
Keep it right there.
Train him tonight. I'm gonna see.
No. Let's stay. Make sure.
Yeah.
Okay. Put your hand up there.
Hey, Morgan!
You gotta put. I put my hand up and let you
Like that.
throw it.
Okay.
You put it up there.
Okay.
You want to keep moving back though.
Yeah, no, yeah. Like
Come
that,
on.
no.
Look at it. You see I'm here. If I'm here, I want you to hit it. Hit it.
Hit the hand.
Hit it.
Hit the hand.
Hit my hand.
Yung sa kamay lang, oo.
All right, fast. Fast.
Hit it.
Oho.
All right, hit it.
Yeah.
Hit it. Put your hand up.
You don't want to hit you.
Parang ang ginagawa dito ni Floyd Mayweather Sr. yung mga punch meet, no, yung talagang para bumilis din yung mata mo, yung pagsuntok mo. Parang ganun yung gusto niya ituro, no, dito kay Utol Janrel Casimero. Oh, yun, no, snap. Mabilis na snap.
Get over here.
Kumbaga kailangan tamaan mo yung kamay.
Go. That's right. Look that. See, I can't hit you.
Yeah.
See, your hand got to be at least where I can hit you. There you go.
Yan na. Focus na siya.
Keep that left hand out.
Ayun! Nag-miss. Nag-miss, ha?
Left hand out.
It's all good. It's all good. We just
Then I
warming up.
have like a
We warming up
Pass
now.
me.
Huh?
classmate, you know?
Okay, go ahead. Here.
Nasaktan siguro si Otto Janel. Naghahanap ng punch meet.
Classmate?
You know what, Floyd? I gotta get going. I got that meeting.
Okay. Come on. Come on.
Yes. Ali.
Okay.
Who's... Yeah.
You want to hit me first? You want to hit me?
No.
Come on.
Keep that left hand out.
Come on.
Johnny.
Yeah.
Kailangan mabilis ka dyan.
See.
Tatamaan ni Mayweather yan. If ever na ano.
Slowly.
It should go further. I can do it the same way with you.
Hop. Ayun, ha?
I got you now. I got you now.
Yan na. Focus yan, oh. Biglang pipitik yan.
Come on.
Yeah.
Put it up there.
Okay.
Take the flag.
Mhm. Oy! Oy!
Good. Good.
Come on.
Good.
Sipin nyo mga kapenyo ha, etong tatay ni Floyd Mayweather kahit may edad na talagang maganda pa rin yung pangangatawan, pang boksingero pa rin, no?
Let's do it.
Good.
Come on. Oh, you want me to do it now? Watch this. Right. Come on. Come on now. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Oy. Oy.
Use
Oy.
the jab. Come on. Use the jab.
Jab
the
na
jab.
yeah.
Use the jab. Jab it. Let's go. Jab it. Jab it.
Snap that jab.
Pag tumama yan, no, medyo masakit din yan. Boksingero yung ano eh, sumusuntok eh, no? Wala silang punch meet.
Jab it, huh?
Mano-mano lang, oh.
See, I ain't got to. I can sit right here and do all this. I ain't got to sit way back there.
Ayun, nililito niya, oh, para, o nga naman, masundan niya. Kumbaga, yan yung ulo, mga kapenyo. Oh. Oh, sakit nun, no, napaganon siya eh. Parang tinuturuan niya ng reflex, no, yung bilis ni Janel Casimero, mga kapenyo. Maganda rin yan, ha, na natuturuan ka rin ng isa sa magaling, no, na yun nga, yung anak niya, no, si Mayweather. Eh, hindi naman magiging magaling yon kung hindi rin naturuan ng tatay o ng uncle niya, di ba?
You ain't gonna hit it.
Be careful, Johnny. Don't hit him.
Oo, baka matamaan niya eh.
Don't hit it. Come on, man.
I'm gonna hit you.
Come on. I'm a big man here.
I'm on an accident.
Oh, yan, rinig na rinig nyo naman mga kapenyo, no? Big fan, no? Etong si Floyd Mayweather Sr. na ito ni Janel Casimero. Kahit si Mayweather Sr. talagang humahanga dito sa ating pambato na si Casimero. At talagang totoo naman mga kapenyo, no? Na si Casimero, talagang parang si Pacquiao din yan, no? Lalong-lalo na kung manumbalik lang talaga yung kanyang stamina. Pero sabi nga ng kanyang kapatid na si Jason Casimero, ano lang nila yon, yung parang game plan lang daw nila yon mga kapenyo.
And boom, shit. Sometimes accidents happen, Johnny.
Yeah.
Oo, totoo yun. Minsan yung aksidente, mamaya bigla nga naman siya masuntok kasalanan pa ni Casimero. Puta. Talagang gusto niya turuan si Casimero, yo.
Yeah.
Go do now. Go do now.
Oho. Yung pag-block naman.
Come on,
Hit it. See, go. Come
Left hook.
Go ahead.
Ayan o, bang. Left
Then
hook.
right hand. Up.
Tapos straight.
Hook.
Uppercut.
Straight.
Hook.
Yeah.
Straight. Jab. Ayun.
Don't worry about it, man.
May
Get
edad na rin si...
ready, Johnny.
May edad na rin talaga si Floyd Mayweather Sr. Isipin nyo sa mga ganun lang, no? Hiningal ka agad siya. Pero kay Casimero, kitang-kita nyo naman parang wala pa. Kasi bata pa mga kapenyo. At kung kayo ang tatanungin ko mga kapenyo, isa rin pala sa naging fans, no? Neto ni Utol Janel Casimero, eto si Floyd Mayweather Sr. Ano nga masasabi nyo dyan? At talagang kitang-kita naman natin dito na tinuturuan pa nga niya etong pambato natin. Comment nyo na lang down below lahat ng mga opinion nyo mga kapenyo. At lahat po yan mabasa ko. Maraming salamat mga kapenyo. At kita-kita lang tayo sa susunod kong reaction videos.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you